Hello and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. I'm Yashashya, a team lead here at OnceHub, and today in this video, I'll walk you through the steps to create a master page with event types first as the scenario. So this is useful when you're offering different kind of services through different conferencing channel, or you would want to offer different kind of services that are being offered by different team members. So let's quickly jump into it and see how to create a master page for that scenario. So simply log into your OnceHub account. Once you're logged in, click on booking pages from the left pane. You'd be taken to the booking page scheduling setup. As you can see, I have set up 3 types of services for this video, along with 3 different locations through which these services are being offered. So let's quickly see how to create a master page. So I'll name my master page as all services options, and under scenario, simply select event types first. So what this does is it offers the type of service first, followed by the relevant conferencing mode the client wants to opt in for. So simply click save and edit. So your master page has been created with the scenario event types first. So now let's quickly jump to event types and assignment and click on add booking pages to add the booking pages you want on this master page, and click add followed by save. And that is it. Your master page has been created. So now let's take a quick look of how things would look like on your client side. So as you can see, the client first gets an option to select the type of services they are offering. Once you select the type of service, it would be redirecting you to the different conferencing channel through which this meeting is being offered. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.